Hey kids, welcome back, and guess who's here once more? It's Teacher Tarence. So I'm here today to explain to you the fun math practice day 4 with the solutions. Now let's move to the question 1. There are 3 men, A, B, and C, whose true identities are Captain Asia, Spicy Man, and Lion Man. It is known that A is older than Captain Asia, B is older than Spicy Man, and C is younger than Spicy Man, whose true identity is Lion Man. Now, based on these questions, we need to draw tables like this for a clearer vision. So based on these 3 informations, we know that B is older than Spicy Man. So can B be Spicy Man, kids? Definitely no, because like yourself, you can't be older than yourself. So B is definitely not Spicy Man. But what about C? C is younger than Spicy Man. It also means that C cannot be Spicy Man, based on the same reasons. Now, what's left for the Spicy Man? It is A. So A is Spicy Man. So if A is Spicy Man, so A cannot be Captain Asia and Lion Man. This is what it left. So what is the information left here? A is older than Captain Asia. So if A is older than Captain Asia and A is Spicy Man, so Spicy Man is older than Captain Asia. So now, who is younger than the Spicy Man then? It is Captain Asia. And based on this clue saying that C is younger than Spicy Man, so C is Captain Asia. So he is definitely not B anymore. And C is not Lion Man. Now, what's left? Are we able to find Lion Man? Yes, because this is what it left. B is Lion Man. So as a conclusion, B is Lion Man. So now let's move to the question 2. As shown in the diagram, white and black triangle are arranged in order. If the quantity of the 2 types of triangles differ by 12, how many white triangles are there? So there are 4 sets of triangles here. Let's draw a table for a clearer view, like this. So now, there are 4 sets as written, but we're not sure which set it is when it differs by 12. Now, let's do the counting for the first one. So for the first ones, there are 1 black triangles and 0 white triangles. To get the difference, just simple minus. 1 minus 0, we get 1. For the second set, there are 1, 2, 3 triangles and 1 white triangles with 3 black triangles. So the difference is 2. What about the third ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 black triangles and 3 white triangles with the difference of 3. Now, for the fourth one, do we still need to do the counting, or there are some smart methods? Yes, it is. Like you can see from the first one, there is 1s. But when we move to the second ones, there are 2 black triangles extra. And when it comes to the third one, 3 plus another 3 to get 6. So based on this sequence, when it comes to the fourth one, we should add 4. So 4 plus 6, we get 10. But what about the white triangle? For the white triangles, is actually, you can see that when it comes to second, there is one white triangles. But when it comes to the second one, the third ones, there is 2 extra of white triangles, which is 3. But when it comes to the fourth one, how many should we plus? Now you can see, when it comes to the second, it plus 2. And what about here? Should be 3. So if it's 3, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. You can see from here, there's 1, 1, 3, 3, 6, 6. And what is the another sequence that you can find out? For the first one, the difference of black and white is 1. The second is 2. Third is 3. So for the fourth one, it is 4. So do we able to know which set is this when it comes to differs by 12? It is 12. But the question is actually asking how many white triangles are there? So we need to focus on this one. This is the answer that we're going to find out. Now, do we able to know how many white triangles for the 12th set? Let's do this. So we know that when it comes to 1, so for the second one, it is 1, and the third one is 3 plus 2. So now 1 from the second, 2 plus 2, like plus 3, and plus what? From here, you know that it is plus 2 for the second, plus 3 for the third, and plus 4 for the fourth. If it's here, you plus 12. But what about this? It's actually one delay from minus 1 from the previous one, which is 11. You have to plus 11 to get this, the number of white triangles. So at last, we have to add 11. So do we need to do the calculations like one by one, like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until 11? Not necessary, actually. We just need to 1 plus 11 multiplied by how many sets from here, like this. So one number before here is 10. So 10 plus 2 is also 12, like 1 plus 11. But how many sets are there? We need to do the division of divide by 2. So 11 divided by 2, we get 5. And here is 10. We get 1 remaining. So there are total of 5 sets. And what is the number that left here that we should add? It is the middle ones. So the middle one will be 6. Since we have this equation ready, let's do the calculations. 11 plus 1, we get 12. Multiplied by 5, it is 60. So 60 plus 6, we get 66. So as a conclusion, there are 66 white triangles as written here. So that's all for the explanation today, and bye-bye.